So in this video, we're going to talk all about when you should quit your job to build your business full-time.
What do you do, bro? You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you. Hey, Paulie, what's up? No, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
Hey friends, Matthew Harris here with wealthofmatthew.com. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click thumbs up. I'm asking that in advance because I'm expecting you're going to really love what we have to talk about today. Because this topic is something that a lot of people ask me about all the time. Hey Matthew, when should I quit my job? Man, I don't have enough time to build my business. If only I could do this full time. When should I quit my job to build it full time? These are conversations that people are having all the time when it comes to deciding on how to grow their network marketing business. And if you right now are in network marketing, you probably were attracted to the business model for a couple of reasons. One was a long-term walkaway residual income, or maybe it was to be in a position to fire your boss, right? To be able to call in well instead of calling in sick. Say, well, I'm not coming in anymore. Whatever your goal was, a lot of you watching this right now are probably trying to figure out when you should quit your job to build your business full time. And I get it. It's a tricky subject. And one thing I'll tell you up front is you probably don't want to listen to the way I built my business at all because I did it completely backwards. See, for me, I had absolutely no choice. I lost my job in 2008, 2009 in the recession and had to make something happen right away. This is not the ideal way to build your business. If you're full-time in the business, it's actually a little bit harder to build your business than if you're part-time in the business. When you're full-time, like I was right away, you can get desperate really quick when you start to see the credit card bills piling up, when you start trying to figure out how you're going to pay for rent that month or to cover your mortgage, or something, God forbid, happens and you've got a big disaster and your business is not mature enough for you to have the finances. It can become really stressful. And I've seen a lot of great network marketers pretty much lose their entire vision and goal for their life because of some of the challenges that came up with them having quit their job too early to build their business. If it's easier to build part-time, why is that? The reality is when you go full-time in the business, you end up you have a lot of time, 24 hours in a day to build your business. At first, you get really excited and you're like, man, I can get so much done. And then you start to realize that these little things called distractions still happen even when you're full-time in the business. You might find yourself with too much time now and you start getting distracted with non-income producing activities like color coordinating your list, or maybe trying to find a new social media technique and you're studying videos and spending all this time reading and listening to conference calls, working on your mind, right? So you're actually taking time away from your business, and it's important to work on yourself. But if you're spending most of your time doing non-income producing activities, you're going to find that you have no income coming in. You're going to go broke. You don't want to be in that kind of situation, do you? And so when you're part-time, you have to be laser focused because you have a limited period of time in which to build your business. So that's actually a great situation. And the great Jim Rohn always said, listen, you work full-time on your job and part-time on your fortune. That's a really compelling story. And if everyone thinks that they have to be full-time in the business in order to become successful, then you're actually not going to be able to attract the masses to your team, to your business, and to your company. Does that make sense? And so embrace the struggle of being part-time. Yes, I know that it can be quite a challenge to juggle everything that you've got going on. School maybe, your family, your church activities, your job activities, just the stress of life, all these different challenges, and then you have to build your business. But the beautiful thing for you is you don't have to be like I was when I first got started. Literally stressed out, freaking out, trying to figure out what I had to do to become successful. It was very challenging. It was stressful in my relationships. It was stressful on me. It was really not healthy at all. Yeah, we became successful, and yeah, rock bottom really became the floor of what we built a brand new future. But you can do that too on a part-time basis. if you have urgency. So back to our question about when should you quit your job to build your business full time. Now, here's a couple things you want to keep in mind. If you're making $3,000 a month, for example, and your job right now, and in your business, you're making $3,000 a month as well. I mean, you're killing it. That's $6,000 a month in income. Now, some people might say, oh man, I replaced my job income. Now it's time for me to go off and live the dream and be my own boss, wake up when I'm done sleeping and all that kind of good stuff. That's great. You also want to be a smart businessman or woman, all right? When you do the math, if you're making $6,000 a month, $3,000 from your business, $3,000 from your job, and you're doing this on a part-time basis, you quit your job, guess what? You just took away $3,000 in income. Now, chances are when you're making $6,000 a month, if you're like any one of us, you're spending way more than you're actually making, right? We make $8,000 a month, we spend $12,000. You make $20,000 a year, you spend $30,000 a year. That's just how human nature is, and we got to be a lot more disciplined about that if we're going to be successful business people. But let's just say that that's the scenario that you're in. You're spending more than you are making already. When you start to cut your income in half by quitting your job, you're flat out broke. Automatically broke out the gate. So what you want to do instead is actually start to pay off debt while you're building your business part-time. Pay off those credit cards. Start to get ahead on your finances. Put some savings aside. And look to be at a point where you're making twice in your business what you're making in your job. Literally to the point where it's so stupid for you to still show up to work anymore because it's costing you more money. That's the position of strength that you want to be in. Not a position of weakness where I was. We're literally trading textbooks with Amazons for grocery and figuring out how we're going to pay rent because we had lost our income and had not had a business in place. And for some of you that are watching this right now and you're kind of on the fence, you're looking for urgency when it comes to building your business on a part-time basis. You may not know that you need that urgency. And I want to tell you this, if you think that your job is going to be around there forever, for the next 10, 15, 20, 30 years, and you can sit back and relax, Social Security is going to be bankrupt, my friends. You're not going to, people are losing their jobs left and right. The economy has changed. It's a completely different world. So absolutely, you need to be running around as hard as you possibly can to build your fortune so that you don't have to worry about ever having a job. Now that doesn't mean that you need to quit your job in order to make that happen. So friends, your goal is to double your income in your business, have about 5 to 6 months of income saved up, pay off some debt, pay off some credit cards before you even start to think about quitting your job. Now, if that doesn't make you urgent about making things happen faster rather than on your part-time, I don't know what will. Because you have an amazing opportunity to go out there and really completely redefine your future, your family's future by doing it the right way and by doing it smart. So if you like this video, go ahead and click like. Leave me some comments below in the comments section. I do plan on doing a ton of videos like this to give you value, to help you grow as an entrepreneur, as a leader, as a human being, and as a network marketer. And until we talk again, my challenge to us all is that we dream, then find a way. God bless.